Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the Arduino IDE on your computer step by step. Let's get started. To get started, first open any web browser on your computer. Next, type exactly what you see on the screen into the search bar. Then, click and open the very first link that appears. After that, scroll down a bit and click on the link that matches your computer. I am choosing Windows here because my computer runs on Windows. After that, you'll see the Arduino downloading on your computer. I'm going to cancel this download because I've already downloaded it before. For you, once the download is complete, go ahead and open it. Now, I will open the one I downloaded earlier. You can open it directly from the browser as soon as it downloads, or you can go to your files, open the Downloads folder, and open it from there. It's up to you. When the setup opens, you will first see a license agreement. Just click I agree. Next, select the options according to your preference and click Next. After that, it will ask for the location to install the software. You can choose any folder you like, or just leave it as default and click Install. Since I have already installed it before, I'm not going to install it again right now. Once your installation is finished, the software will open. Please remember to keep your internet connection turned on, because even after it opens, the software will download some essential files internally. Alright, now let's move on to the user interface that you'll see once the Arduino IDE is fully installed. Once everything is fully installed, this is the interface you will see. Now, you have successfully installed the Arduino IDE. If you want to learn how to properly code an Arduino board in the next video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you learned something new today, please leave a like and a comment. See you again in a brand new video.